Have you ever wondered why Tesla has become a dominant force in the electric vehicle (EV) industry while traditional automakers are struggling to catch up? It's not just about innovation in design or performance. It's about a fundamental shift in how cars are made. For decades, the auto industry relied on a tried-and-true formula: large-scale production, tight supplier networks, and a focus on cost-cutting. But with the rise of EVs and new technologies, that formula is being turned on its head. Companies like Tesla and Rivian are leading the charge with vertical integration, a strategy that's as bold as it is transformative. To understand why this matters, we need to look back at the roots of automobile manufacturing. In the early 20th century, Henry Ford revolutionized production with the assembly line. His Model T wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of industrial efficiency. Ford's methods allowed vehicles to be built quickly and cheaply, making them accessible to the masses. This system, known as Fordism, dominated the industry for decades. But it wasn't perfect. The rigidity of mass production left little room for flexibility. Customization was rare, and any change in consumer demand required major overhauls to production lines. Then came the Japanese automakers, led by Toyota, with a new approach: lean manufacturing. The Toyota production system introduced concepts like just-in-time production and Kaizen, or continuous improvement. Instead of churning out products in bulk, Toyota focused on minimizing waste, maintaining low inventory levels, and improving efficiency at every step. This model worked brilliantly for decades and helped Toyota become a global leader. But now, the automotive world is shifting again. The move to electric vehicles is not just a change in what powers cars, it's a revolution in how they're built. Batteries are now the most expensive and complex component in an EV, and managing their production can make or break a company. That's where vertical integration comes in. Unlike traditional automakers that rely on a web of suppliers, companies like Tesla are bringing critical processes in-house. Tesla designs its own batteries, produces them in massive gigafactories, and controls everything from software development to manufacturing equipment. This approach doesn't just cut costs, it gives Tesla unparalleled control over quality and innovation. Take, for example, Tesla's decision to develop its own battery cells. By doing so, the company has been able to experiment with new chemistries and production methods, improving energy density while reducing reliance on rare materials like cobalt. These advancements allow Tesla to produce vehicles that are not only more affordable, but also have better range and performance than many competitors. But there is a downside to this approach. Vertical integration requires huge upfront investment and carries significant risks. If one part of the integrated system fails, the entire operation can grind to a halt. That's why many traditional automakers are hesitant to follow suit. Instead, they continue to rely on partnerships with suppliers, hoping to remain competitive without drastically overhauling their models. What do you think? Drop your comments below, hit the like button if you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the world of automobiles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.